A hairline crack is a crack in a wall that is as thick as a hair, a very small, shallow crack. It is only on the surface of the plaster and can be caused by many factors: house settling, incorrect plaster mix, or walls that have been painted while still wet, to name a few. Let's have a look at the way to tackle the repair. The first step is to get rid of dust and dirt with a pressure washer. A clean wall gives the paint a good surface on which to bond. Very tiny cracks can be painted over with a thick paint that will form a bridge over the crack and is therefore known as a crack bridger. We're going to cover them with a few coats of Plascon's Micatex in this case. Micatex is a textured water-based paint which is a lot thicker than normal paint and will cover the cracks efficiently. It's not necessary to open up these small cracks. Just roll the Micatex right over the affected area. As you can see, we're also covering some larger cracks in this wall which have been repaired and filled. See our movies on filling medium and large cracks for information on those repairs. It's important to paint the entire affected wall. If you only cover the cracks, a difference in sheen, texture and in the height of the paint will be noticeable in certain light conditions once the top coats have been applied. Apply the paint with a roller for the main wall sections and use a brush for the edging. We're using a Hamilton's Classic roller cover and their 75mm fiberglass brush, which gives great cover. You'll need one of each, plus of course a roller handle and paint tray for the job. If you're painting over a driveway or paved area, use a drop sheet to prevent paint splatter from damaging the surface below. Depending on weather conditions, the paint should be left to dry for 2 hours before being overcoated. Once the first covering is dry, apply a second coat to ensure proper filling and bridging of cracks. It's important to apply 2 coats of crack bridger to the surface of the wall. Hairline cracks can be quite disturbing to the homeowner when seeing them for the first time. Take a scraper and enlarge one. If it's only visible on the surface, don't worry, it's an easy fix. It's the cracks that run through the plaster to the wall that can give you nightmares.